campaign called an M.Me link. Now, an M.Me link is also referred to as a ref URL, and essentially what that means is a reference URL, reference website. And basically what this allows us to do is create a unique link that will send a message when somebody clicks on it. So this is a great way to get people into Messenger, probably one of our favorites, one of the most widely used and essentially best ways to start getting subscribers. And the one thing you should note is that when you have a subscriber who is already subscribed to your Messenger in some way, if you send them an M.Me link, clicking that link does not reopen your marketing window. They would have to take some additional level of marketing there. So it's just something to consider as you guys are making your M.Me links. But it is a great way to get people into Messenger the first time. So again, this works just like a scan code. You'll find more information on how to make these messages and do things like that in the general message section. But this would be a list here of all of your general messages that you already currently have, or you can create a new message for it. And when you give it a name, obviously you can choose the message. Now we know, okay, anybody who clicks on this link, we want to send this message. Now I would actually go ahead and hit next, and it gives me my link. So here's a couple of options that you can choose. My Facebook page is actually facebook.com/ you would say, /Chatmatic. This link could be m.me/Chatmatic ? REF equals campaign with all these numbers, or we can actually use that number, whatever's easiest for you. We use the number by default. But what's great is all these little numbers at the end. This is for those of you guys who are going to be masking the link anyways. We also give you what's called a custom ref parameter. So now I might say happy, right? And now when I hit save, it changes my link to m.me/ my page ID !ref equals happy. That way we know. And this way it makes it easier for you to remember the link. So if I was to do m.me/ Chatmatic !ref equals happy, it's easier to remember that, easier for people to potentially type it in. But we're not really making m.me links for people to type into. We want them to just click it. It's just easier to make sure that all the string of the URL goes through. And in this case, we just click this right here, copies to clipboard, and we would hit finish, and now we're done. So now that's an m.me link. We would then send that, and if you're looking for more examples of where to use it, obviously we've used this in email, we've used this in Instagram, we've used this on other websites to say, click here to answer these 5 questions in Messenger, yada yada. So that, in my opinion, I think M.me link is one of the more valuable options. We're going to be adding some new campaign types in the near future, so don't be surprised when you see a button, potentially when you see a checkbox, when you see modals, sidebar, things of that nature. So as Facebook integrates more and more options, we'll see some pretty cool stuff there. But for now, that seems like that's all you would need to know for an M.me link. My biggest suggestion for all of you guys is to try this out. Again, if you're having any issues with scan code or with an M.me link, make sure you go to the troubleshooting section. We'll give you some ideas on how you can actually troubleshoot this and come up with resolutions for what the problem might be. And if you still have an existing problem, obviously, reach out to our support desk. Until then, I will talk to all of you guys soon.